owner that it was just seeming to rain. And so I went to this body shop and convinced them to loan me the tool so I could fix it and put it back on, and literally fixed it on the ground in the rain. And the irony was there was like photographers that were coming by and taking pictures while I was doing it.
That's right.
And she was, yeah, hey, cool car, see ya. Look at it. And she was of course extremely supportive throughout the whole thing, but it was just one of those things, like it happens, you fix it, you move on, and you keep going. Like it didn't hinder our spirit whatsoever. Like we kept going despite things like that happening and despite little hiccups. And it was just like that the whole way, and totally awesome. Hey everyone, thanks for watching. If you want free pizza, like here, comment below, watch some of our other videos here, and subscribe here. Subscribe. Subscribe, laddie. Subby, that subscribe. Cut it, subscribe. Wait a minute, Doc. Are you telling me I gotta subscribe?